Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Today we're going to look at how to connect Google Drive to ChatGPT. So to get started, open up your ChatGPT account, and from there you can look on the left-hand side and you should see apps. So if you don't see it there, you can click on the plus icon and find it from here in the More tab. So you want to click on Explore Apps. And from there, you're going to scroll down and search for Google Drive, which I can see here. If you don't see it, use the search tab and type in Google Drive and it will come up. So from there, I'm going to click on Google Drive and you can see here I can connect my ChatGPT account to Google Drive. So once you're connected, that will allow you to work with your Google Drive documents in ChatGPT and getting ChatGPT to sort of read those documents and summarize them for you to speed things up and enhance productivity. I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.